Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Innova Captab Limited. Incorporated in January 2005, Innova Captab Limited is a pharmaceutical company operating in three business segments. Firstly, it provides contract development and manufacturing services to Indian pharmaceutical companies. Secondly, the company has a domestic business dealing in branded generics. And thirdly, the company has an international business that deals in branded generics. The company's product portfolio includes tablets, capsules, dry syrups, dry powder injections, ointments and liquid medicines. The company's customer base includes Cipla, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, Wockhardt, Crore Remedies, Emcure Pharmaceuticals, Lupin, Medley Pharmaceuticals, Eris Healthcare, Zuventus Healthcare, Ajanta Pharma, Mankind Pharma, and others. IPO opens for subscription on the 21st of December. Offer will close on the 26th of December. Allotment will be on the 27th of December. Listing will be on the 29th of December. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 14,784 rupees. Price band is 426 rupees to 448 rupees per share. Lot size is 33 shares. Total issue size is 570 crore rupees. Fresh issue is 320 crore rupees. Offer for sale is 250 crore rupees. Key performance indicator are: price to earning 31.64, return on equity is 24.58%, return on capital employed is 22.61%. Debt to equity ratio is 0.85. Earning per share is 14 rupees and 16 paise, return on net worth 24 rupees 0.58%. Object of the issue: repayment and/or prepayment in part or in full of certain outstanding loans of the company. Investment in the subsidiary, UML, for repayment and/or prepayment in part or full of outstanding loans availed by UML. Funding the working capital requirements and general corporate purposes. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a healthy premium of 210 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.